Hi, I'm Mark from Euromaid. I'd just like to take a few minutes of your time to talk about a comparison between our Euromaid MS8 quality, affordable, European-made product versus a Chinese oven of typical nature available on the Australian market by many leading brands. Firstly, I think it's quite obvious the design aspects of the European oven are far superior. If we have a look at the control panel, we have a push-push knob system. This is great, it gives you nice clean lines and also very safe for children. Whereas we're looking at the clunky raised type knob. We open the door up and we can see the differences straight away. Sure, it has full glass back doors, but look at the hinge system. I think you'll contest that this is a much better hinge system. It's a lot stronger. The cavity itself has a line at the front. It's a join. This is where dirt and grease and fat can collect. On the Euromaid, one-piece liner. For the same price, you're getting a lot more features. You're getting a telescopic runner. You're getting catalytic liners on the sides and the rear of the unit, making cleaning easier. You don't have that with this Chinese product. Capacity-wise, we're talking a 57-litre oven versus a 65-litre oven. Again, value for money. On the back, as mentioned, we have a terminal block, which is positioned nice and easily for the electrician to wire the unit up. This system actually works on a hinge system, so it's easy accessible. Whereas this particular unit, you have to remove about 7 screws and then drop that down. We have a look on the inside. We can see the insulation differences. The MS8 is beautifully compact, positioned beautifully around all the components and covering virtually every accessible hole. Whereas if we have a look at this, very loosely packed, it's only held in by a bar at the back. The Euromaid, beautiful, sturdy rear panel. If we have a look at the quality of the build, very flimsy on the Chinese. You can hear the solidness of that unit. The wiring, again, loosely packed or beautifully done within the Euromaid model. The thermostat, over temp thermostat controls. The MS8 is attached directly to the cavity, so it reads beautifully against the temperature within the oven cavity, giving a reassurance of consistent heat. This unit here though, has the actual over-temp fuse attached to the outer body, not to the cavity. So the readings aren't going to be as accurate. And on top of that, they're only set at 85 degrees versus the 165 we have on the Euromaid. The tangential cooling fan, sure it has one, but really it is not as efficient as the radial type fan. So it actually circulates air at a higher rate. The componentry, typically Chinese. We're looking at the Euromaid, or European designed and manufactured components. Quality fan with its own housing, very loosely set fan, not as large, so your actual fan at force type function is not as good. So I think by looking at this comparison, you can see what you're paying for Euromaid is high quality and affordable European made product versus a Chinese product.